Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add a Shopify store credit. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first you can head over to your app section and there you simply need to search for credit and press enter and it will be directed towards your app store. So you can see we have this Pablo store credit, we have Versa, so you're gonna choose something with free plan and have a solid rating. So like for example, this looks really good. I'm gonna try this out. It is gonna provide us store credit and we can completely modify this. So this is gonna be the icon for our store credit. You can see $10 in the store credit, and that's how easily you can add Shopify store credit. It is pretty easy, no rocket science here, and yeah. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.